If you have been looking to create automation in your business, but you're not sure where to start, well, today I'm going to talk all about how you can get started with creating some email automation in your business so you can get your hands off the keyboard and do more of what you love while serving your customers at the same time. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany, Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise, creating automation, and creating digital products that truly allow them to have a freedom-bound life. Now, before we dive into today's topic, where we're going to talk all about how you can add automation through email automation within your business, I want you to check out a free guide that I have to help you to create a digital product that will help you to generate revenue in your business 24/7. You can check out that guide below and ultimately be able to get started with your digital product. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos. Okay, let's talk about automation, because a lot of people want to build a passive income business, but there are several different moving parts that take place in order to do that. And one of them is automation and making sure that you have your email automation properly set up. Now, email automation is where emails are going to trigger depending on what the behavior is of your customers. So, for example, if they were looking to opt in to a form for a lead magnet, there should be a series of emails that trigger after they have opted in. Now, another form of automation might be for a webinar, or for your launches, or for flash sales, or things along those lines. Onboarding, whenever someone joins one of your courses or your programs or some of your digital products, you want to have some sort of onboarding, thanking them for what they're doing. So I want to walk through some of the automation emails that you might need within your business, what they are, and hopefully you'll be able to take some of these different email automations and apply them to your business if you don't already have them. So let's dive into the first email automation. The first one is a welcome nurturing email sequence. This is a really great sequence that will help you to be able to share more about what your business is all about, what you stand for, and what your customers can expect when working with you. Now, I love a welcome nurturing email sequence because this helps to set the expectations for your relationship with your new subscriber. Now, one of the things I also love to do within a welcome nurturing email sequence is to provide a ton of value. Now, this is usually anywhere from 3 to 5 emails, and it is distributed over a period of time. You can do back to back, or you can do a couple of days in between, or maybe even spread it out in a kind of a 2 to 3 week period. But I usually like to send these emails out within kind of a back-to-back time frame. Now, the really great part about your email sequence is this is where you get to share about who your brand is. You can share who you are or who your business is and what it's about, and you can also break down some other avenues of how you can stay connected. So in a welcome nurturing email sequence, one of the things that I love to do is I like to share about, you can find me on YouTube, we can connect, you can watch other videos and get more resources. I like to also provide some other freebies that could be resource for this person. And I like to guide them through what's going to be happening next. I like to share, okay, over the next couple of weeks, you are going to be receiving these types of emails from me. You are going to be able to receive a Tuesday email for my YouTube. You're going to receive a cool flash sale that happens every once in a while on a Friday, and all of that great stuff. Now, a nurturing email sequence is something that you can put into automation. Maybe you don't have one already. And so if you don't have one and you're struggling to figure out what to say, well, don't worry, because I have some amazing templates that you can check out in our Corporate Misfit Club shop. I'll leave the link for you below so you can see some of those different resources if you're feeling stuck or looking at a blank screen trying to figure out what to say. But one thing that you can do is you can create automation with this. So after someone opts in, it can automatically trigger. No matter what type of email service provider you're using, this can automatically trigger properly once someone has opted into a lead magnet, once they have joined your email list for the first time, and ultimately get this sequence. Now, another email sequence that is really needed in terms of automation and can really make sure that your customer has a smooth journey is an onboarding email sequence. Onboarding email sequences are after someone has purchased a product. It could be your membership, it could be your coaching product, it could be your actual course, it could be any digital product, an ebook, whatever it may be, you want to have some sort of onboarding email experience for your audience, guiding them through how they can utilize that product and what's going to be happening next. Now, what usually happens is people will have people buy a product and then they don't say anything at all. They don't talk about what they can experience in this program or in this membership or with this product. Instead, they let them purchase and that is it. Instead, what you should do is take some time to let your customers know, thank you, here's what to do next. You might need to log into a portal, or you might need to access this product here, or here's the best way to get the most out of this product, and here's some other things that you can do in case you have questions. This truly helps your customers to know what to do from start to finish to get the most out of their product. Okay, the next email sequence that can help to add some automation to your business and also help you get your hands off the keyboard is creating your launch emails. Now, one of the things that I like to do whenever I am going to create a product, I like to create launch email sequences that I'm going to most likely use time and time again. I might just need to tweak it from here and there, but this is a great way for you to already have your launch email sequences out the way. I know whenever my team and I start to plan our promotions of what we're going to focus on, what products we're promoting, we already have a lot of these emails in place. We're not having to start from scratch and try to write them. So any product that you are looking to create where you are most likely going to have something like a sales page, or you're going to be leading your customers to a direct page, then it is important to go ahead and create your launch emails. I want you to take some time to think about how long your launch is going to be. How long do you want to talk about this product? Even if it is an open product that stays open all year round, how long do you want to talk about this product in your launch emails? You can even do things like discounts in this launch email sequence, or you can have bonuses, things along those lines. Now, I like to make my launch emails anywhere from 1 to 7 days. So usually whenever I am launching a product, or I have already launched it, but I am going to promote this product again, I like to focus on having anywhere from 1 to 7 emails. It's usually more on the 7 email side, and I focus on making sure that I'm answering questions about the product. I like to share some testimonials and feedback from other people who have experienced this product and so much more. So these are just a few emails that can help you to start creating some email automation in your business. Again, it helps you to get your hands off the keyboard and really focus more on what you do best. So if you need any help creating any scripts or emails or anything along those lines, I want you to check out the Corporate Misfit Club shop, where you can find all of these pre-written emails, and all you have to do is plug in the blanks and customize it to your business. Now, if you want to build more automation in your business, some of the other types of emails that you can add in are webinar automation, or if you are looking to do a lead magnet, you have a lead magnet delivery email automation to where it automatically goes out no matter what time or day people sign up for your lead magnet or your evergreen webinar if you choose to have one. So I want you to think about how can you add some email automation to your business so that you can be able to serve your customers, be able to communicate with them without having to consistently go and do your emails day in and day out. How can you make this something that you are able to do once and maybe tweak every once in a while, but then you are able to let it work for itself? Okay, Corporate Misfits, that's it. You can go ahead and get started with creating your email automation. Get started with creating a welcome and nurturing email sequence, or an onboarding email sequence, or a launch sequence for your digital products. Okay, and also don't forget to check out that digital product guide that I have for you to help you start creating digital products and generating revenue. And hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos. I'll see you next time. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.